Alright guys, we have the next project here. 2009 370Z 6-speed light driver's side hit. Only really needs a bumper, driver's side fender, headlight, tires a little damaged, but the wheel is in good shape still. Got a pretty good deal on this one from an impound yard. Passenger side in good shape. Little dent right here on the fender. Little dent right here on the door. That can easily be body worked on. Best thing about this gem, 19,000 original miles. Rest of the car in near immaculate shape. Show you guys under the hood. Like I said, just a bumper, headlight, fender is going to get completely replaced. All original, purchased from the original owner. Bought the car brand new. Was definitely a nice pickup. Should be a somewhat simple, straightforward fix. Give you guys a quick interior shot. Interior very clean as well. Could use a little detail, but nothing too serious. Like I said, 6-speed, 19,000 original miles. For 09, that's unusually low. We'll definitely keep you guys updated on the progress on this one. It should definitely go fairly quick. Stay tuned for updates and future videos.